Hi, Bean Beauties. Has Coach gone batshit crazy? I don't know. I'm speechless. I'm just speechless. Just come on back. Hi, Bean Beauties. Okay, I don't normally make videos like this. Is this a rant? This is informational. Y'all all pretty much already know. I just, I'm just looking at the Coach website and I'm just like, yeah, mid-level buyers like myself, um, yeah, $300 for charms. There's two charms. Sorry, there's two charms that are $300, $295. Okay, let's just say $300. Over $300 once tax gets in there. The crystal cherry bag charm and the large Rexy bag charm, $295, $300. You know, those fuzzy shirling charms, $195, $200. The carrot charm, $200. A rabbit charm, $200. The other crystal cherry bag charm, which is, I don't know what the difference between that one. Oh, one's a large and one's the regular size. The regular size, $150. You know, they have the cute ones. Then you go down, $95. Okay, $75. A cassette tape for $95. A retro cassette tape. I mean, really, really. Then it goes down to the signature C's to $55. You know, I'm no stranger to the charms. You know, I also insert some pictures of my or footage of my Christmas tree, charm tree. You know, y'all, I have gone crazy. $95 for a charm. The resale market, I have paid, you know, $110 on the resale market for crazy people who bought them years ago. You know, the tabby charm that now I can't even find where it's at. I paid up for that one quite a bit because I had to have it because I missed it. It was before my Coach days. $200 for a charm. You know, I'd rather just save up a little bit more. You know, another $100 or two, because and get me a luxury charm from LV or Gucci or Fendi. You know, on the pre-loved market. You know, I normally buy pre-loved everything anyway, and it's like, Coach, I was able to buy Coach charms for a reasonable price. You know, the hefty ones were $55, like this one. This one. This one was in the pre-loved market. It was pretty hefty, you know. It is pretty hefty, pretty weighty. $55, I think, is what I paid for it, and I was like, at the time, freaking out for it, you know. I have the dinosaur charm, $95, but I had to have them, and I went and got them on Dillard's because it was sold out on the Coach website. You know, this thingy for $75. You know, I'm not a stranger to paying quite a bit of money for my charms by Labubu's. Look, okay, you know, I have a whole basket full of Labubu's. You know, $55, $50. You know, $55. Then I have these that were gifted to me, you know. I'm like, okay, right here. This one was a gift to me, and I also found it on Amazon, $9.99. And it comes in this little tin. So like this big old thing is in there, and you shake it out, and then it becomes this, you know. It has a charm. $9.99, $14.99, depending on which seller sells it. But you know, the most $14.99. This is super, super soft. Do I know what kind of material it is? No. Is it shirling? No, I'm sure. But you know, what was that those were 150, 195, 195. I no. I'm like speechless. I just can't. I think this girl is going back to buying her Amazon charms, her charms right here. Here's a pretzel. Here's a pretzel with some tassels and stuff from Shein. Was $1.95. Here's a little baseball one, 75 cents. Here's some little game tags, 95 cents. Here is the, you know, This is faux leather, pleather, for my charms, okay with them, for elephant. This was like $1.50. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go back to my Shein, to my Amazon, to my cheap um sites and get the charms from there again, because this is freaking ridiculous, y'all. Just ridiculous. I have been into charms from way back before this charm craze came in. If you go back into my history down below, I'll try to link them in the description box. I have a 3-part charm video series, probably like 20 minutes a piece, showing my charms, how I started collecting charms, how I turned keychains into charms, how I where the love of the charms and the keychains came from. It came from my mom. That was something that she did. I've passed it on to my grandchildren and give them to them. I mean, my son was even like, why are you buying those Labubus? They're crazy. And now he's like, Mom, can I have one of your Labubus? It's like, that's how far it's come. But, back in 2023, when I first started my channel, I put those videos out there, and I had 3 containers at that time. Now I have more. I don't even have where I could house them. So as a craze came up, I was already there because I have been collecting them ever since I was a kid. I never stopped collecting them. They were always in style. But yeah, $300. I don't think so. If they want to bling them, I have Kim from La Vida with Kim. Okay, I can watch her and I can suck it up and I'll make my hands hurt and I'll get them. Or I'll beg Kim, please make me some, bling me some stuff up. I don't know. This is just ridiculous. I mean, it is just beyond ridiculous. I had trouble paying $75 and $95, but did I pay for them? Yeah. Did I fall for the hype and did I get it? Yeah. But I'm done. It's like now I'm not even on principle, not even wanting to buy those. There's some that are on sale, like the star ones right now on the outlet or on sale for $35, and I'm like, hell, I don't even want to pay those. Oops, see, it's got me saying, got my potty mouth going. It's got my potty mouth going, okay? So that's just the charm. The drops that are coming are fire. They are fire, I have to admit. I'm liking the drops in both sides, the retail and the outlet. However, the prices have gone up, and you know what? They're just using excuses after excuse just to raise the prices. That's all they're doing. They're just raising the prices because they just want you. They want you to raise the prices. It has nothing to do with anything. It has nothing to do with nothing. They just want to raise the prices. And I don't know if I'm there for it anymore. I mean, I don't. It's like right now I'm going, I don't know. I mean, this has just might put me back. I don't know. It's made me so salty that the things that I was going to buy on the outlet on sale, I'm like, I don't even want to buy it. I don't even want to buy it. I was like, okay, why do I want to buy it? I mean, it's not like it's going to make a difference to them. It's a great price. Some of the bags that I wanted are $95. The Terry bag is $95, and I was wanting to add another one. But I'm like going, I don't know. On principle, I don't want to buy it. I'm just like, I don't want to do it. I'm just like, yeah, I don't know. I'm just like, I do not know. I'm exhausted, y'all. I'm exhausted. I guess it's great that I'm reaching my pinnacle in my collections kind of all the way around. I'm kind of topping off on my collections. I guess it's a good thing because now I'm like, all right. I had been telling y'all that I was, since 2024, mid-summer 2024, I have been curating my collection. I have been going through and seeing what bags that I was ready to let go of, what kind of items that I was ready to let go of. So I have some set aside. I haven't really put them out there because I haven't really detached from a lot of stuff. There are some that were on the bubble. But you know what? I'm like, this girl is just, I don't know if I'm going to be buying too much more right now. I don't know. I have found some coveted bags, some that y'all may have seen yet, maybe not. I don't know when this is going out because I don't even know if this is going to go out because I don't do rants. I don't do rant videos, but I just can't no more. I just can't. When I saw that $200 price tag for a freaking fuzzy thing for $200 and $300 for the crystal one, I'm like, no. I'm like, that's bag prices. That's handbag prices, and you wanted a charm? No. It's like, I don't know. I mean, I wish that coach would say, hey, this is where we're going, people. You want to come along for the ride, decide if you want to do it, instead of just trying to slide it in there. It's like, hey, if they want to elevate themselves to the Louis Vuitton realm, okay, fine. That's what they want to do. That's what they want to do. The quality of most of their stuff is there for it. You know? Yeah, no, I'm done. I'm like, okay, I say that I'm done. I say that I'm done, but you know, I don't know. I have to wait for some really great sales. But right now there are some really great sales. But I'm salty. I'm very, very salty. Salty. I don't know. Okay, Bean Beauties. I don't know if there's any value to this video. I don't even know if you're gonna see this video. I just know that I have gone batshit crazy when I'm doing my collecting, but Coach has really gone batshit crazy. Okay, they have really gone batshit crazy. $200 for charms? No, no. I just can't. It is, you know. I was able to find a comfortable level. I was able to get a nice handbag, several of them, and you know, overextend myself a little bit, but not to where I'm gonna, you know, damage my household income. But now, yeah, I don't know, Bean Beauties, help me out. Agree with me, disagree with me, let me know. I don't know. just you know, I don't know. I hit my wall. I've hit my wall. That's all I can say. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Love y'all. Bye-bye.